Good morning, friends. It is currently 6:52 and we are ready. Can you guess what park? Huh? Probably already know because I already told you about it in the other video. But we're headed to DAC today. So, first things first, I have to wake up because I'm not that awake. But we're gonna go get some food down at the best quick service, more in pork, obviously. And then we're gonna head there. So come along for our adventure today. All right, we're on our way to the elevator. And look at this cute little frog just chilling on the window. I don't know how he got up here. Yeah, we're on the 3rd floor. So.
Because look at his.
Oh, that's true.
Look at his feet.
He is a tree frog, so he knows how to climb. But that's hilarious. Save the frogs. We love this bridge. We walked over the bridge. Woo! You are now granted into Disney World. Alright, now this is a good morning. You can't even really see the appreciation of the colors currently, and it's fogging up, but I'll show you guys. Oh, now it's really foggy. Oh, okay. Alrighty, so you saw the sunrise. Now we are sitting back at Geyser Point, empty, closed, but we took a table. I have grapes for breakfast. We have a coffee and a parfait, and a coffee and a croissant. Yum.
You want to try yours first?
Okay, you probably can't hear me because they're doing grass things, but that's fine. So, I just got 8:30. I just got a penny from here. I got this one, Winnie the Pooh, of course. And then we are the second family to get in line for Animal Kingdom today. Now with the bus system, it is coming only 30 minutes prior to park open. So Magic and Animal comes at 8:30 because park opens at 9, and park opens at 11, so it comes at 10:30. And Hollywood Studios opens at 10, so it comes at 9:30. So just be aware that the buses do run only 30 minutes prior, and they take longer because they do have to clean them between rides. But there's that. So now that it is 7:54, we're just gonna wait and get in line, and then we're gonna head off. Look at the Goofy boys. It's so pretty. It's not ours, but it's so pretty. We have a bus. We have a bus. Yay! Our first bus of the trip. Woo! First one's on the bus. Yay! In the back. Animal Kingdom. Here we go. We're approaching. Alright, we got our first temp check of the trip. We all made it, we're all healthy. Alright, now it's time to go through our new security system, which I've never done before, so you just walk in, super quick and easy. Okay, we made it to security! Woo, woo. Super easy. I got pulled over to do another check, but I'm assuming it's all the metal from all the pins that are in my bag. But other than that, we're good to go. Quickest security ever. Better than the airport. Airport needs that now, for sure. But look it, so excited. All right, here we go. Woo!
You were waiting for us.
I've been waiting. I've been here since 7:30.
7:30. Yay! 1, 2.
Best sound in the world.
3.
Have a great day.
Thank you. We made it. Okay, here it comes, here it comes. Ooh, he's so pretty. I love it. Yay!
1, 2, go! Hey! Watch this. Double high five. Double high five.
Look at her. Look at the beauty. All right, so unlike everyone else who goes to Pandora first, we are gonna go see the tigers first because they are always roaming only early in the morning. Whew. I'm out of breath. Huh? Oh yeah. So the park does open at 9. It is currently 8:53. So at 8:53 someone will come, open it, and we will be able to go. Dad sees a fan, so he's airing off. Woo! I'm so excited. Hopefully they are alive, even though it's still, or it is humid. You know what I mean? Anyway.
And then when females reach sexual maturity, which is between 6 and 8 years of age, they will then transition back to
Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy, yeah.
So Harper right here, if she lets you see her chest, you can actually see some of the blonde coming in.
Below 2 feet?
Yeah, I do.
That's the male, so that's AJ, that's the male. So yeah, so she's starting, she's 4.5.
Alrighty, so change of plans. The Mirage Trek does not open until 10, so we are headed back over. That's the train. We're headed back over to Kilimanjaro Safari so we can go ride the safari. I'm so excited. Everything is at a 5-minute wait because it just opened 2 minutes ago. Alright, here we go. First adventure of the day. Kilimanjaro Safari, 5-minute wait. Thank you. Row number 7. Yay!
It's 1, 2, 3.
Duende!
Let's go. Now,
Alrighty, safari check, and we just saw the gorillas as you guys just saw. What do you guys think? I thought it was a great safari.
Oh, it was.
We had hippos and giraffes and zebras and lions and tigers. Oh my. Just kidding, not tigers. But now, time for a new adventure. Alright, we are now on the Mirage Trek. First animal is a super cool Komodo dragon and a nice fan. Look at that. Oof. We love the wildlife. Alright, Mirage Jungle Trek done. We saw the tigers, but since it's like 10 o'clock, so it's way past their like alive walking around time, you know, they were just sleeping. So now we're gonna get some refreshments at this cart and then see what happens. Guys, look at it! Look at it! Alrighty, Expedition Everest time. Alright, we just conquered Everest. Amazing, right?
Awesome.
Yes, amazing. Love it. 5-minute wait. We really just walked on the entire time. Got the back, not like the back row, but like in the back. Best spot, because then you just whip, and I love it. I just traded for the first time in the parks. I got a cute little Mickey Mouse who's like holding on to a railing, and then a surfboard Donald with a hidden Mickey. So cute. I love it. I'm so excited. Guess what we're coming up to? Dino Land. Also, I've never noticed this dino on top of the stop sign. That's super cute. That's so cute.
Well, yeah, I mean, we would.
Dino-rama, let's go! I'm so excited! Hit the brakes this way. E, you're here! Woohoo! I can't wait! It's time for the daily, or not the daily, the yearly, annually trip. Yeah, that way. Of Mom in the car.
Is that what I do?
There she is. Alrighty, it's time to play some arcade games. I am so excited. I hope we win. I want those prizes so bad.
Hey,
Look
there's
at them. Look at them. They're so cute.
And we're off. Blue Comet's got a blue grader.
Okay.
Purple's got a yellow. Oh, we have 2 extra larges for this round.
That's one, Dad.
Oh, it's traveling almost.
Almost.
Alrighty, everyone's got a prize for this round.
Yay! Woo!
Alright, our blue Comet's right here got a blue grader. This will be one of our smalls, which is a Mickey, Minnie, Triceratops, or an Iguanodon.
Iguanodon.
You got it.
Thank you. Huh?
Alright,
You
hold on
pick.
a second.
when he sits.
Let's see what else we got here. So, both purple and red got yellow craters, which is going to be extra large prizes. For our extra larges, we have 2 choices. We have a big old Cementosaurus and a big old Iguanodon. Which one would you like?
One of each?
Yes, one of each.
One of each. You got it.
Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome. And there.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Very welcome.
Thank
You guys
you.
are back.
All right, game number 2, guys. Come on, Mom, get yourself a prize.
All right, there's 3 tries. If you one at a time.
Do you ask for the extra small ball?
Oh, no.
Come over here, buddy.
All right, you guys go one at a time. Blue one on go first.
Come on, no.
There you go. This one. Go ahead, sir.
Get away in line over here.
All right, hang on. Don't
Get
burn.
over here.
This one each.
Come on. I said no.
Go ahead.
Close, Mom.
Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. One down for him. Hang on. Last try for each of you.
Thank you, sir. Go ahead, Mama.
There it is.
Oh, so close.
Nope.
Oh, we got one.
You pick the small prize.
Mom, what you want?
I think I want Minnie.
Minnie it is, huh?
Minnie Mouse.
Now it's coming up. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thanks very much.
All right, go over to the stand and get back for your prizes.
Thank you.
Basketball, too.
Yay!
Yeah.
25. All righty, we just got off a dino. Loved it. We were in the front row, super fun. Pretty sure Dad and I looked in opposite directions because poor communication in a noisy ride didn't really work out very well.
Which way did you look?
I looked at the dinosaur and you looked away from the dinosaur.
I told you. Well, I did. That's what I said to Kate. I go, I'll do mom.
But that's fine. Now, Triceratops spin. Let's go. Mom, look.
Wait a minute, I'm trying to get Dad. Dad!
We all got our own cars, because why not, you know? I'm pretty sure. So I'm sitting in the back, and I'm pretty sure the back one goes up. So I think they're going to stay on the ground. Look at it! There they are! Guys, I chose the wrong side. I thought the front, or I thought the back was up and down, like Dumbo, but it's the opposite. So there they are. There's Mom still up there. Like dinosaur. Like dinosaur. Look, she came back. It's Mickey and Minnie and Pluto. Way over there.
The storm, they were peacefully coexisting. Even a big triceratops got up to shake and crash. Everyone was having fun at the dinosaur day.
Okay, so we just saw, as you witnessed, 3 cavalcades, water cavalcades. So cute. Freaked out because I forgot about Chip and Dale and Donald, or Chip and Dale and Goofy. So my faves. And now we are headed over to Nomad's Lounge, see if we can get in maybe before lunch, and then we're gonna eat at Yak and Yeti, and I'm so excited to get some chicken. Oh, so good. And green beans, fried green beans, my fave, love them, can't wait. All right, we sat down at Nomad's Lounge. We got an outside. Maybe the cavalcades will come by here again. Who knows? I'm so excited.
So I'll try to get today.
Alrighty. These are our drinks, these beauties. This is the Leaping Lizard with coconut rum because I didn't have the pineapple, so just note that. This is Jen's tattoo, and this is
Hightower Rocks.
Hightower Rocks. So these look beautiful. Yum. Alright, so we've seen 2 cavalcades all sitting here, and it was two different ones that we didn't see over when we were like standing, so that's fun. I'm so excited. Also, yummy.
Oh no, no worries.
Oh, the wind took it. What did you think of your drink?
It wasn't bad. It was refreshing. I absolutely loved the flower.
Oh yeah, the flower was so good.
Hibiscus. It was like a, what did you call it? Fruit roll-up. Yeah.
And cold, anything cold and refreshing right now.
Yes.
Yum. Alrighty, it is time for lunch. We finished Nomads, and now we're going to Yak and Yeti, which the Rents have never been to. So that'll be exciting, and I love this place. So let's eat. Alrighty, we have our table. We are up in the trees, which I'm super excited about because I've never sat up here before. So this is really cool. I think they just started seating up here because there's all these open tables, but now we get to decide what we're gonna eat. And I'm pretty sure I'll probably, oh, that's drinks. I feel like I'm gonna get honey chicken or sweet and sour chicken, something like that. That sounds really good. Look at these drinks, friends. They look delicious.
Put my little small one between the twin towers.
Look at that.
The rose between two thorns.
Did you get just a mango?
I did.
Mango daiquiri.
Yep.
Yak Attack, which is mango daiquiri with something red. I don't remember what it was.
Grenadine.
That looks like a pina colada, but what is it?
Strawberry lemonade.
Strawberry lemonade. That's what it is.
Nice.
Delicious.
Honey
Look at
chicken.
this beauty.
Honey.
Honey,
That's you, Mama.
that's hers.
Madam?
Thank you.
Honey
sir,
chicken.
Sweet and sour chicken.
Over there.
Sweet and sour.
Oh,
Yum,
Thanks
thank
very
you.
much.
thank you. Enjoy.
A little plate for some nachos.
This looks so good. Look at this.
Want me to
Tuna
serve you some?
nachos.
Sure.
How amazing.
This is like Chinese restaurant, but this,
Yeah.
are these like Asian
Oof. There we go.
nachos?
Yum.
Here, help yourself on that side if you want, Kate.
All right.
Wow.
And then I got sweet and sour. Mom got the honey, which is amazing. We love the honey, but
Oh, that looks good.
I wanted to get this one instead. So let's taste. All right. What did we think of our first Yak and Yeti?
Oh,
Yeah.
delicious.
We'll go back.
Yep.
Yes, awesome. Yeah, I went in 2018. Loved it. So good. They did not have the crispy green beans because shortened menu because of pandemic. So hopefully 2021 they come back, fingers crossed, hopefully, because that sounds so good. All right, friends, so quick update. We went into the Island Mercantile. God, this isn't all new stuff, like the prizes are also in this bag too. We grabbed some new stuff, grabbed the new ears. I'm out of breath because I left you guys on the counter as I was paying for this bag of stuff and walked out of the store and was like, I'm not holding anything. Where's my camera? So ran back in there to get it. So now I'm catching my breath after my tipsy run. Freaking sober now that I had to be like, oh crap, where'd my camera go? But now we're gonna walk on the Tree of Life. All right, friends, we're gonna do the Discovery Island Trails. This leads behind the Tree of Life, which no one really walks on. So it'll be great. We can take some cute pictures. You can see the Tree of Life up in there and just have a good time. Tree of Life. Just took some pictures. I love this little trail. My parents looking for all the animals that are in here. Check this out. I haven't noticed this before, but above the lion is like a full-on horse. So you have like a tail, let me see, the tail right there, body, and then the legs right there. It's so cool. It's a gator mouth. 365 animals, guys. That's for sure. Here's a giraffe head. Guys, I think the bird show is about to happen.
She's looking for him. Look at it.
Look, that's one. Look at that. Oh my god, they're so pretty.
How about that timing?
Woo! Alrighty, the time has come in the day. Walking into Pandora. Pandora. Headed to Flight of Passage. Looks like it's currently a 20-minute wait. So that's a must. So beautiful. Alrighty, here we go. 20 minutes. Woohoo! What? Right in, baby. Oh my god, this is fabulous. Woo! Yay! Here we are. It's so pretty in the daylight too. Woo! We are still trekking up the lane. We're in line. We're almost there. We walked through this whole thing. I'm so excited. It's definitely like a 15-minute wait. We walked through the entire line.
Yeah, well, yeah, it was a 15-minute walk.
Yeah, it really was.
Can everyone see me?
Yep.
Yep, we're good.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikran, or as we call it, a Banshee.
We just got a flight of passage! I'm so excited! Woo! Thank you! Woo, 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 woo. He finally wrote flight of passage!
That was awesome.
Alright. YouTube review! First timer!
Awesome.
Woo! Woo! Oh. Yes! Like I said, we also walked right on, so.
And it's a long one, too.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, love it. Always worth it. You can't see, but we're about to get on Na'vi River journey. Oh. Here we go. Alrighty, we just got a flight of pass. Na'vi River journey. And it's still hot out here. Mom, do you remember it now?
Yes.
Okay. She claims to forget that she went on it, but she definitely went on it in 2018. So, yay. Now I'm gonna take pictures of this beauty and then we're gonna head out. Alrighty, it is now just about 4 o'clock. We made one last mystery pin purchase at the Discovery Outpost, and now we are headed off. Maybe straight to dinner at the Poly, maybe back to Wilderness. We'll see how the bus line is. But what a great first day in Animal Kingdom. We got literally everything done.
Yeah.
Everything. 9 to 4.
Get to do duplicates.
Yeah, we don't even need to 5. We got 9 to 4. Look, we took the Toy Story bus to the Poly. Here we are at the Poly. Oh, love this place. Poly. Ah, beauty. Finally. Alright, we sat down at our table at Kona. I have my Lapu Lapu pineapple drink. We got bread. We got something that looks like coffee with alcohol. And a mule.
It's a mudslide.
But yum. Love it. Alrighty, we have some California rolls.
You can put that on.
And some
You want to have
lobster and crab mac and cheese.
I think I'm going to be full on this. So.
Ooh, so alrighty, we just finished dinner. Now it's time for some pineapple lanai. Got that Dole Whip. Yum. Alrighty, we got the beauty. I got the swirl this time because I figured I'll get more Dole Whip again on this trip. Little pineapple lanai. Love this.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Where do I get that?
That's it, right there. Spoon? Right there.
Right here. Right out of the dispensers.
Just perfect. Yeah.
Thank you
So
so
pretty.
much.
Thank you. So pretty. Look at that. Love. Dessert views.
With the castle in the background. My first Dole Whip.
Oh wow, I did not know that.
I think so. It's delish. I highly recommend it.
Yeah.
What?
Alrighty. Well, that was a wonderful little Dole Whip. Sitting out here watching the view. Ready? Boop. got her knocked out. But anyway, we are off to hopefully the Contemporary, maybe pin trading, maybe, maybe not. We'll see. And then hopefully the boat over to the Wilderness Lodge, because then dork. Over to the Wilderness Lodge, so then we can go swimming. So that's the plan for now.
I remember by the time I was at Canada, like when I came back, addicted of jalapenos.
Oh!
Because by the time I was waiting for my burrito, they keep like the jalapenos in the middle of the table, right?
First one of the trip. I'm so excited. There it is. Now I'm bright. Alright, here we go. We just caught the monorail right before close at 7, so good timing. Yay! She's beauty, she's grace, she is the Grand Floridian. Alright, here we are. Keep trucking along. Look at the beauty. We got the Contemporary, we got Space Mountain, Tron, we got the new walkway. So pretty. Yeah. Look at the Disney here. Look at the Magic Kingdom. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh, we got the castle. See you tomorrow. Alright, Des, this one's for you. In the Contemporary gift shop now. You'd buy one of everything. Lounge fly! They're so beautiful! Look at the cute little Forky! And the Stitch! Ugh, so pretty. Look at these ornaments! We got the firehouse. We have like Daisy's house and Mickey's house, maybe Mickey and Minnie actually. And then the castle, those are so pretty. That's literally all just rain sounds. Look at that. And it's like the sky is new. It's fireworks in the hotel room. Yay! Alrighty friends, so it is now 8:20, just back in the hotel room. I'm gonna open up some of my mystery pins, so that'll be exciting. Hopefully I get what I wanted. I don't have to buy more. But anyway, I'm gonna take off my uncomfortable bra because I don't like bras, and then we will see you tomorrow for a Magic Kingdom day. I'm so excited. Gotta see the castle in person, you know, because we saw it from afar today, but in person, I'm so excited. All right, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.